Explain the importance of a product. Following are the importance of a product. Number 1, product is the center of all marketing activities. Product is pivot and all the marketing activities clustered around it. Full stop. Marketing activities such as advertising, sales, promotion and distribution, buying, selling, etc. are all made possible only on account of the product. Number 2, starting point of marketing planning. A product is a starting point of a marketing planning. First, marketing is done on the basis of nature, quality and the demand of the product. First, product policies decide other policies. Number 3 is product is the key to market success. Product is the key to market success. First, if the product is faculty, its market will have a very short lifespan and will ultimately fall. Number 4 is center of consumption and satisfaction. From the consumer point of view, the product is of their consumption and satisfaction. Number 5, importance from social viewpoint. From a social viewpoint also, the product satisfies the needs of the society. Full stop. It provides employment and standard of living to millions of people. Number 6, corporate needs satisfaction. The basic corporate needs for profit is satisfied by products. Full stop. It is the product which ensures an adequate sales volume and revenue, which is essential for corporate profitability, survival and growth. Next is, what do you mean by product mix? Mention some important features of product mix. Explain the factors influencing product mix. Answer to 2A. The term product mix refers to the products or services offered by a firm for sale in the market, and the features associated with these products or services. The features include quality, size, design, brand name, package level, etc. of the product. First of the nature and characteristics of products which constitute product mix differ from one firm to another. Number B. Following are the main features of product mix. And number 1, tangibility. A product is tangible. First of it is made of certain physical attributes such as shape, size, etc. Number 2, associated attributes. In addition to physical features of a product, it has certain attributes which help customers to distinguish it from products, package, brand name, labeling, etc. are such associated attributes. Number 3 is lifestyle. Every product has its lifestyle, which consists of introduction, growth, maturity and decline stages. Number 4, exchange value. A product has some values which can be measured in terms of money. Number 5, need satisfaction. Every product is mentioned satisfaction some human need. The satisfaction may be real or psychological. Number 6 is dimensions. Product mix has several dimensions such as product line length, mix depth and mix consistency, etc. Number C, the various factors which influencing product mix are as follows. Number 1, change in market demand. The main major factor cause change in product mix is demand for a product. Changes in income, habits, preferences, fashion, etc. of consumers leads to change in market demand. Number 2, cost of production. When a company can develop a new product with the help of existing plant and machinery, labor and technology at low cost, it may launch a new product. Number 3 is company goals. In order to maintain an increase in its profitability, a company may eliminate unprofitable products or replace them with new and more profitable ones. Number 4 is competitor strategy. Before deciding the product mix, it is necessary to ensure whether the product matches the competitor strategy. Number 5 is financial resources. In case of shortage of funds, a company may delete less profitable products. First, on the other hand, a company having surplus funds may add new products. Number 6 is spare capacity. A company may start a new product line or product to full utilities its excess production or marketing capacity. Number 7, use of waste materials. A company may produce the products by utilizing waste materials. First of this will bring down the cost of the main product. Number 8 is finally profitability. The company has to consider the overall impact of profitability. It is necessary to ensure whether the production improves the profit of the company. So in this video up to this much. Next video I will discuss what are the various components of my product mix, explain them or write notes on the following: branding, packing and labeling. Thank you very much.